This Singer sewing machine comes with a variety of presser feet and accessories. You get an all-purpose foot, gathering foot, zipper foot, even feed or walking foot, darning and embroidery foot, buttonhole foot, button sewing foot, a side cutter attachment, a package of needles, bobbins, a seam ripper with lint brush, an edge quilting guide, screwdriver, darning plate, thread spool caps, spool pin felt, an auxiliary spool pin, and a soft-sided dust cover. The tools you need for endless creativity plus a DVD are included.